Tesla will quote you 20 to 30% less than Sunrun for the same roof, and its solar customer service score is barely above 2 out of 5. And in 2026, there is a twist neither sales rep leads with: the federal tax credit for buying panels is gone. Here is the honest comparison, number by number. Sunrun is the safer pick for most homeowners. It is the largest residential installer in the country, with every financing route, lease, power purchase agreement, loan, or cash, and a regional service network. Tesla Solar wins on price, aesthetics, and ecosystem, especially if you already own a Tesla or a Powerwall and want everything in one app. The right answer depends on which trade-offs you can live with. For a typical 6-kilowatt system, Tesla quotes about $14,000 to $18,000. Sunrun about $18,000 to $22,000. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model, no sales reps, fixed regional pricing, routinely lands 20 to 30% below comparable Sunrun quotes. If lowest cash price is the only criterion, Tesla usually wins before the conversation starts. Here is 2026's biggest change. The Federal Residential Solar Credit, Section 25D, has expired for homeowner purchase systems. Buy with cash or a loan from either company, and there is no 30% federal credit anymore. On a Tesla purchase, that is roughly $4,000 to $6,000 that older guides still promise you. On Sunrun, $5,000 to $7,500. Run 2026 numbers, not 2024 ones. This is general information, not tax advice. One path still captures a federal credit, a lease or power purchase agreement. When the installer owns the system, it may claim the 30% commercial credit under Section 48E if construction begins before July 4, 2026, and pass the savings through as lower monthly rates. Sunrun leases start at $0 down, roughly $80 to $140 a month on 20-year terms. Tesla does not offer leases at all, which makes this a structural Sunrun advantage this year. On Trustpilot, Sunrun scores 3.8 out of 5, not exceptional, but solidly ahead of Tesla, Solar's 2.1. Tesla's complaints cluster around long hold times, slow service scheduling, and difficulty reaching anyone after installation. Solar is a 25-year relationship with a company. Weight the service score accordingly, not just the sticker price. Sunrun installs through local partners, typically 2 to 6 weeks from contract, with in-person support nearby afterward. The trade-off is some variability in installer quality. Tesla uses its own employed crews, which produces consistent workmanship but much longer waits, 8 to 20 weeks in busy markets, sometimes 3 to 6 months. If your timeline matters, that difference is decisive. Sunrun installs panels from multiple manufacturers, LG, REC, SunPower, at 19 to 22% efficiency, and its Brightbox storage runs on LG Chem batteries. Tesla is proprietary end-to-end, its own panels at 20 to 22%, and the Powerwall 3 about $9,200 installed, with slightly higher peak output. Tesla's all-black panels and solar roof are the aesthetic ceiling. Sunrun gives you choice. The paper protections are nearly identical. 10-year workmanship warranties from both, 25-year manufacturer warranties on panels, and Tesla's solar roof tiles carry a unique 25-year weatherization warranty. Sunrun brings the longest install track record, over 800,000 systems, and an A+ BBBB rating. Tesla, the company, is financially rock solid, even if its solar division's reviews are not. Want $0 down, a lease that can still capture the federal credit, or responsive local service? Sunrun. Want the lowest cash price, Tesla aesthetics, or one app running your car, battery, and roof? Tesla, if you can wait for the install. Either way, get both quotes plus one from a local independent installer. In a post-credit market, competition on the quote is where the real savings live now. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. See the full breakdown and compare your options at Dreamy Leads Research. The link is in the description.